Yes, students, we have done the parts of flowers. Outermost layer of flowers is known as the calyx. After that, corolla. After that, androecium and gynoecium. We have done about calyx, corolla. There are different type of calyx estivations, corolla estivations. What is estivations? The arrangement of calyx in the flower is known as a estivations. How many types of estivations? There are four types of estivation of calyx. Which one? First of all, here, velvet. Second, twisted. Third, imbricate. And fourth, vexillary. Four types of arrangement of calyx in flower. In the velvet type of estivations, what will happen here? When petals are attached from the marginal without overlapping here, like this: first, second, third, fourth, or fifth. 5 petals is here. In the twisted conditions, when the margin of calyx are overlapping to each other, yes, like this: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth conditions. Yes, pet type of directions. And imbricate, in imbricate same type of conditions, but first, second, third, fourth, or fifth. No particular type of directions. It can be one calyx can overlap to another calyx. No particular direction. Here, a special type of directions are arranged here in estivations. Yes, in vexillary type, large petal, after that lateral petals, after that interior side. This type of petals will arrange here. It's about calyx, arrangement of calyx and their estivation of calyx. After that, same as this types of arrangement may be for the corolla: velvet, twisted, imbricate, and vexillary. In next topic, we will discuss about the calyx done, corolla done. After that, androecium. We will discuss here about the androecium. Yes, androecium. Androecium is a which part? Male part of flower. In the singular form, it is known as a stamen. In a stamen, how many parts? 2 parts. Lobe shaped structure is known as a anther, and filament is present here. And that stamen may be attached with the petals sometime. Attached with the petals here. Any petals of any flower. If that stamens are attached with the petal, that time this type of condition is known as a epipetalous. Fuse with the petals. In the structure of stamen, it has a lobe-shaped structure, anther, and that anther is attached with the help of filament. This is a part of flower, male part of flower. After that, we will discuss about the female part of flower. This is gynoecium. Gynoecium part. In the gynoecium part, the structure of gynoecium, it has this type of structure. 3 type of carpels: stigma, style, and ovary. Stigma, after that style, and swollen part of its carpel is known as a ovary. The function of the stigma to catch the pollen grains. Pollen grains from where? From anther. That pollen grains will develop in the anther, and after that it will transfer where? At the stigma, and that process is known as a pollination. This is pollination process. And there are 3 types of carpels: stigma, style, and ovary. In the ovary, ovules will form here. Ovules. If we will dissect that ovary, in the dissection of ovary, transverse section of ovary, we have that types of structures. Maybe 1 chamber in ovary, 2 chamber in ovary, 3 chamber in ovary. On the basis of their chambers, this ovary is known as a monocarpellary. Single chamber, mono. If there are 2 chambers, bicarpellary. 3 chambers, tricarpellary. Many chambers, multicarpellary. And in this ovary, ovules will form here. It is ovule. Here also ovules. After the fertilization process, that ovules will develop into seeds, and the ovary wall will develop into fruits after fertilization process. In the angiosperms, there are double fertilization and triple fusion process. Double fertilization. Specific fertilization, specific characteristics of angiosperm. 1 male gamete fused with secondary nucleus, and 1 male gamete fused with egg cell. 2 types of fertilizations occur here. In the first condition, first of all, endosperm will form here. In second conditions, seed will form here. Embryo will form here. This is event of double fertilization, triple fusion, and special characteristics of angiosperm. It was the part of flower and their arrangement: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Thank you.